I'll guide you through changing the language on Bilibili to English in just a few simple steps. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Navigating Bilibili is much easier when the app interface, menus, and video subtitles are set to your preferred language. If you are using the Bilibili mobile app, start by opening the app and tapping the Me profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the settings gear icon and look for language settings. Select English or your preferred language. On some versions of the mobile app, Bilibili automatically syncs with your device's operating system. If you don't see a language option inside the app, go to your phone's general settings, set your device system language to English, and Bilibili will automatically switch its interface to English as well. For desktop browsers, visit bilibili.tv and look at the top right header menu. Click the globe icon to open the language drop-down menu. Select English, and the web interface will instantly update. If you are browsing the main Chinese site at bilibili.com, right-click anywhere on the web page and select Translate to English using your browser's built-in translation tool. To turn on English subtitles while watching videos, play any video and tap or click the CC icon in the lower player controls. Select English subtitles if available, or toggle on Bilibili's AI translation feature to automatically translate voiceovers and captions into English in real time. To create a Bilibili account without ID verification, click to watch this video right here. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.